Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I got something for you guys today. I want to know what what do you do to keep yourself motivated in your cleaning company? I'm gonna give you some things that I do and some little suggestions, some strategies to keep yourself motivated. So, what do you do when you feel like giving up? It's important to even celebrate your wins. Remember your why, because your why matters. Is it your family, freedom, financial security? What keeps you motivated? Share in the comments what keeps you motivated. You know, it's always something to do in this business that could keep you motivated. You got to set some clear, achievable goals. Establishing specific, measurable objective provides direction and a sense of accomplishment. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Like, for instance, like focus on cleaning one room at a time or setting a timer for short focus cleaning sessions. You could go sign up to a resource center. You know, the goal is to let people know who you are. So you can always go out in the resource centers, network, meet people there. Shoot, that's a win. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and reward minor achievements to boost your morale. Recognizing progress, no matter how small, can maintain motivation and reinforce positive behaviors. So you want to, there's always something to do in your business that you could get out there. I mean, talk about the leads, you talk about uh, bidding apps, all this stuff. Along with that, you have to also let people know who you are. You got to get out there and let people know you are. You know, it's amazing when you go in a room and people already know who you are. You don't know them, but they know you. That's an amazing feeling. So you want to get out there, and it takes time, because once you start, people start keep seeing you, then they give you a chance. You know, so foster a positive work environment by keeping yourself motivated. Like, you could be the things that I didn't get to do at the beginning. You could be putting your systems together, like taking notes on what you're learning and your processes and procedures. You create a supportive atmosphere by encouraging open communication if you have a team, providing opportunities for growth. That way, you know you got somebody to grow with you. Regular team meetings and one-on-one check-ins can help address concerns and celebrate successes. Invest in personal development. That's, you got to take care of your health. You know, we think we're going to clean until, like, because we're cleaning so much, we're going to burn energy. Yeah, I thought that. But when you go from site to site to site and you stop in at stores and restaurants and stuff, you ain't losing no weight. You ain't even eating healthy. So invest in your personal development. Enhance your skills and knowledge through training and certifications. This investment not only improves your service quality, but also demonstrates a commitment to personal and professional growth. You know, I hear a lot of times people ask about these certifications. You learn in these certain certifications. They're classes. Like, I just signed up for with the Master Builders Association. I just signed up for their 11-week session. It starts next week, and you guys will see me graduate in December. Because I'm going to take that class because I do a lot of construction, and it's going to teach me some bidding stuff. It'll teach me how to read plans. So I'm going to just learn. I'm going to take it. It's free. It's from the Master Builders Association, but it's a free session. You just have to commit to the 11 sessions or 13 sessions or whatever. And it's only one time, I think 2 times a month. Some months it's just one time. Yeah, I'm going to show up so I can get that knowledge and get that certification, you know, and utilize effective time management. Optimize daily operations by prioritizing tasks and minimizing distractions. Implementing time tracking tools can help identify areas for improvement as well to increase your productivity. Seek inspirational success stories. Learn from others who have overcome challenges can provide motivation. And I tell you, I've been through a lot, so I have to give you a lot of stories. And maintain a work-life balance. Set some clear boundaries, define specific work hours and personal time. Like for me, my work-life balance now is at 5:30 every day, and I got this from AJ. At 5:30 every day, my phone goes to mute. I love it. First, it was a little weird because I had to watch and make sure I wasn't missing no important calls, but now I love it. I love it. So 5:30, I'm done. I'm done with KSC cleaning. Now I work on my mentor program, my mentees, and that stuff after that. So I made a balance, and I'm not with my mentees every day, so I have time that I go to the gym and I work out. And I actually have a gym in the building, so I go up there and work out. I learned that my health is my wealth. Delegate responsibilities. Trust your team by delegating tasks appropriately, which can reduce your workload and empower your staff at the same time and give you a little more freedom and flexibility. Implement flexible work arrangements such as remote work options or adjustable hours to accommodate personal commitments. Invest in your team development. Provide opportunities for professional growth and well-being, such as training programs or wellness initiatives. And utilize the technology wisely. Leverage tools that enhance productivity without encroaching on personal time. Like I use Swept. I love that Swept because me not having a staff, Swept was my quality control manager. At least I knew when people showed up to work, and they alert me when they don't. So I love that. And then seek feedback. Solicit feedback from your team, or if you're working with your family or somebody. And then ensure time for rest and personal activities to prevent burnout. Engaging in hobbies or spending time with loved ones can recharge your energy and maintain enthusiasm for your work. I'm going to give you some strategies that by implementing these strategies, you can sustain motivation and effectively manage your cleaning business even during tough times. Because I'm going to tell you, in this business, you always want to quit. You always want to quit, but I'm going to tell you, God will either give you people or contracts. So you have to just hold on and just hold on. Build a network of people around you who have the same goals. And like in this industry and on this YouTube, you guys, there's a ton of communities to stay encouraged with. You know, I'm trying to make my channel be more on bidding, construction, and commercial projects, or should I say opportunities, than startups and all that. So I'm trying to build a community of people who want to get to the money. So that's all I have for you guys today. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys too. I got a new operations manager. Yep, so we moving right along. We're in training. So stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. I'll talk to you later.